Hello everyone, my name is Gissel and today I'm doing another unboxing. So I got their new rhinestones. So I have their Bling On adhesive. I picked up 6 of their rhinestones and I did the little bundle that they had for like $79 I think, or $80, I forgot. I got the applicator along with it, and I picked up their new acrylic brush, which I'm mega excited for. So in the bundle you get 6 glitters that you want, the applicator and the Bling It gel, which is basically the glue for the rhinestones, and I'm going to be placing them in these little pots that I got from Young Nails. So okay, so Silver Dollar is this one, and the back of the rhinestones are pink or rose gold. So let me just show you guys. Ooh, I probably need a scissor. So this one is Silver Dollar. See if I can separate it for you guys so you guys can see it a little bit. And Silver Dollar is basically like a crystal clear silver, and this one has 1,440 pieces. They come in 9 different sizes. So SS3, SS4, SS5, SS6, SS8, SS10, SS12, SS16, and SS20. So forgive my nails. I'm gonna do them after this. I just didn't have time. Oh yay, they fit. Some of them are like super tiny. Do you see those? Like really tiny, so that's awesome. I didn't expect them to be that small, but that's great because I like that they have a lot of different options. So this is how Silver Dollar looks, and this just has that silver hue. It doesn't pull any other color. Now we can move on to Pink Paradise, which looks like this in the bag. And these only have 350 pieces. These are said to have like an opalescent finish. Pink Paradise is a pink opal. To me, it's like a frosted glass pink opal. So if you ever seen frosted glass, kind of looks like that, but just in a pink shade. Really cute. And Pink Paradise is just a pink opal frosted pink color. Looks really nice. This is how it looks in the jar, and yes, there isn't as many as the previous one, but they're still really pretty, and you still get 350 pieces. But I definitely think I'm gonna buy another one of these just so I can get more. I don't think personally, actually I'll say my opinions on these all later. So next we have Seaglass, which is one of the colors that I was waiting for so much. It's such a beautiful green that pulls like a little bit of a blue hue, and these only are 350 pieces yet again. This is how they look in the bag. Really cute, and to me it just looks like a frosted glass minty green. I guess minty green would be fine, or like a seafoam green. Really cute color, you can't go wrong with this one. This is how Seaglass looks, and like I said, it pulls a minty green opal, which for me it also gives me like a little blue hue vibe, but not too much. It definitely pulls more green, and it's really nice. It gives me turquoise vibes, aqua vibes, seafoam vibes, all those good vibes, you know, but super cute colors. Next up we have Bejeweled, and Bejeweled has like a goldish or bronzy-ish back part, so Bejeweled is not yellow or gold or whatever the case is. And these have 1,440 pieces in it. So this is kind of how it looks in the bag. And you can kind of see the gems themselves and not their backs as much. So let me just put this into a jar. So this is how Bejeweled looks. This one, in compared to Silver Dollar, has like a slight blue hue, like a lilac and blue hue. It has like a little bit of a blue lilac hue, but still in that silver family. Really cute. So this one is Ocean Eyes, and it is a beautiful blue opal, and these only come 350 pieces, so not as many as the other ones. So this is Ocean Eyes, and it is described as a baby blue opal, and I consider it like a frosted glass blue. Really cute. Ocean Eyes looks like this. It just is a blue opal, really cute, really soft, and definitely a favorite. And the last one was another one that I really wanted, and it is Moonstone. So it is beautiful. And this also has 350 pieces, so this is how it looks. And this is how Moonstone looks. Moonstone is described as a silver opal, which I think looks like frosted glass, but you know, regular frosted glass. And Moonstone is just a really nice, soft white. I love these opal colors that they came out with. So let's move on to the applicator. And the applicator, I feel like you can find something similar to it on Amazon. I definitely have one that's similar to it that I got through Amazon. But I really like how this one looks. It has the Kiara Sky logo. Honestly, there's really not much different. They just, you know, have the logo. And it's really cute and I like it. And then the bling. Let's see if this never... I'll let you guys know how this goes with, like, if this gets full of glue and what happens, like if it gets stuck or something. But I want to talk about these for a second. Okay, so if you notice, some of them only had 350 colors, which were the opal colors, and then some of them were 1,440 pieces. So the ones that were 1,440 pieces were the ones that weren't opal. So these are the opal ones. So my issue with that is they're all the same price and they're each $9.99. I don't know how they're made or why it's priced the same even though you're getting less, but I still love the colors that I got. So I do plan to get the opal colors again and get 2 different shades on the other ones. I plan to get probably Whiskey Business and Sugar Rush. Sugar Rush because I've seen photos and they describe it as a bronzy gold, or how I see it is light gold or like a honey. I know they have one that's called Honey Pot, but that literally looks yellow to me, so I don't want that one. It's either Whiskey Business or Starry Night. I'm just not sure if I would use Starry Night all that much since it's such a unique color. I think like it would only go with certain looks, but Whiskey Business and Sugar Rush could go with more looks than Starry Night, in my opinion. I'm not really sure, so we'll see. I really like Whiskey Business because it's described as a smoky golden amber look, and I love how amber it looks. It looks gorgeous. And I just realized I almost forgot to talk about the brush. Oh my god, how could I forget to talk about the brush? So I'm going to take the plastic off. And this is how the brush looks in the box. Sorry that my light's kind of like beaming it out of focus. And you just push it out. Bam. It is so beautiful. So I'm just gonna take it out. And so they do come like this. I thought it was one that you could like twist, but you cannot. So I'm just gonna cut this and this aside, and this is how the brush looks. Look at that handle. Wow. And it has Kiara Sky written right here. Sorry, I don't know if you guys can catch that. So I'm just gonna take this part out, and it's nice. I got the number 10, so I'm just gonna break it down a little bit. Ooh, and get some alcohol. So the claims for this brush is, it says experience unparalleled precision acrylic application with Kiara Sky's 100% pure Kolinsky acrylic brush made to last. This brush has been mindfully designed and is 100% handcrafted from the finest materials to bring your ideas to life. Each element of Kiara Sky's Kolinsky acrylic brush has been considered, from the crystal cut of the acrylic handle, acetone resistant base, and curvature design for the effortless and smooth acrylic application. Your perfect step begins here. So my first questions when I saw that when they were releasing a brush was, is this going to be uncomfortable because of the cut? Honestly, you can barely feel it. It's actually really comfortable. It feels like one of those how can I explain it? Like, you know when you buy like these rollerball things so you can like massage yourself? That's what it feels like. And this is super lightweight. Like, compared to my other brush that I have from Kupa, this is not weighted. So normally in the makeup world, when it's weighted, it's more pricey or luxe feeling. This, it looks luxe, but it doesn't feel that way. Like, it's super lightweight. I really like the way it feels. I'm going to use it for my next set, but so far so good. I don't think I'm going to crimp this one. I do have another one on the way because I bought the acrylic kit that actually came with the brush, but I'm just probably gonna flatten it out with the monomer and go from there because I cannot wait to do my nails. I think I am gonna do them right now, so that'll be probably my next video. So thank you guys for watching. I know this is like a mega short review on the brush, but you guys will be seeing it on my upcoming video, so stay tuned for that. And I hope you guys enjoyed, you know, this little mini haul of the rhinestones that came along with it, which was like the little bundle that they have going on right now. Hopefully they have it for a while because I do want to buy the same but two different. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys all for watching. Really appreciate it. And until next time, bye.